Alright, g'day guys, I'm here with Matt. I'm doing the intro today. It's Sam. We're down here at the weir. Well, the weir's actually down that way a bit more. We're just going to have a little flick here for a bit, me and Matt, and then we're going to head over to our mate Hayden's place and we're going to have a flick there a bit later. So, yeah, hopefully we catch some fish.
Sam has caught.
The big ones.
Hold it up for the camera. Look at that beast. Spangle. I'm not going to use him for live bait because they're too nice to use for live bait. Very nice first fish. What do you have to say?
Very good. It's actually the first fish on this rod. I just bought this new rod. Oh no, this isn't this rod.
That's the other one over there. A very nice first fish. Bit of live bait. Literally only 10 seconds after he caught the other one. Yeah, probably cut him up in half.
Yep.
Use it for live bait. Well, what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the weir, which is over there, down that way. Go down there for about 5 minutes before we go to Hayden's, because we haven't caught much apart from that small spangle and bard. Nothing too amazing. So yeah, we'll try down at the weir and see how we go. Change of plans. We're just going to go straight to Hayden's place. That'll probably be a 20 minute bike ride. So yeah.
Alright guys, we're at Hayden's place, just walking down to the river now. There's Big Haydos, g'day. We're heading down now. We didn't get much luck at the weir, so hopefully this spot is a little bit better. It's pretty hot, pretty dry, so not to jinx us or anything, but there may even be a cheeky Saratoga out there. So we'll see how we go.
This is Sam's first car right here. Look at this. Holden.
We don't want to wash it because we think the dust is what's keeping it together.
Probably. It's a bit old. Fence crossing number 2. A bit of a buster from the old barbed wire. Very nice. I don't know if you can see him, but there is a couple of toga down there. I'll move my finger so the thing focuses. Yeah, you can see that black spot. I can barely see it through my phone. Oh, there is 4. There's 4 there, and there's one or two over there. So surely we'll be able to catch one. So Sam's rushing to get his stuff. Sam's on a good fish here. Oh, it's going to be catfish. That's a big catfish. That is a big catfish. That is a big catfish.
Okay.
Come around this way.
Oh, don't break my rod. Oh.
Holy crap. That's a good catfish. Here we go, come on. Yes, there we go.
Oh my goodness.
That was a good catfish.
That I called a 60, 59, oh pretty much that. 58.
That's a good fish. That was the one that was swimming around there. I thought it was a Saratoga, but no, it was this fella. Very nice. It's a nice catfish. What did you say, 60?
Oh, he's 58, pretty much 60.
Alright.
But he, with the head on him.
Open his mouth.
Listen to him.
Yeah. Saratoga, yeah, Sam's on. You got the good one as well.
Yeah. No, please don't dive down. Please do not dive down. Please do not dive down.
There he is.
Please do not dive. Just stop diving down.
Here he is down there. Sam almost fell in. Oh, slimy.
We're running tape.
Do you want that?
I don't think he's my PB. He's 62. No, PB's like 64. So
Still a good fish.
beautiful fish. And there's more out there. So we're gonna go unhook him and put him back.
Very nice. Sam's on a roll. Alright, chuck him back before he dries out. Off he goes. Very nice. If you're wondering why we haven't done any underwater releases yet, is that good old me forgot my GoPro down at the first spot that we're at. So later on, me and Sam are going to ride back down there, and hopefully it's still there. It's very annoying, but oh well. We decided to go on a toga walk. We've seen one already after about 2 meters of walking. Yeah, we'll do a toga walk, and we'll keep you notified. As much as I like the wind, because it's pretty bloody hot today. I've missed like 2 toga now on this walk. Yeah, I missed 3 toga. No, not 3, 2. 2 toga because the wind has just taken my line, because it's weightless, away. So we're done fishing for the day, and we're heading back up to Hayden's place, and me and Sam are going to go back down to the weir, and hopefully my GoPro will be there. I guess I'll edit to the part where we find the GoPro if we do. It was just there. No one had taken it. It's been there for like 3 hours. So that's pretty good. Sam's caught something here. I think it's a turtle. It would have to be a turtle. Yeah, it's a little turtle. I don't know what that type of turtle is. Little fella, a big chunky one. I don't know what type of.
Is that?
I don't know what type it is.
Well, it's not a sore shell.
It's not a sore shell.
And it's not a common.
Yeah.
What's the only other type in here? Not, is it a white fruit?
Not too sure.
Yeah, I think it's white fruit.
You're gonna have to cut that off. Has caught himself a lungfish. Hopefully it stays on.
He's a big one as well.
Yeah, he did. This is a good fish, Hayden.
Oh, he's a good one. He's a good one. Okay, pick one, my buddy.
This might be your first meter fish, Hayden.
Yeah.
There he is. He's just there.
If we can bring him this way,
That's easily a meter, Hayden. Hayden's gonna go down there and try and get him out of the weed while Sam's fighting. Hayden's gonna go in there. This is crazy because Hayden's line, he has 15-pound line.
oh, yes. There he is.
Got to keep an eye on Sam's rod because he's getting good bites as well. But I reckon this lungfish is a better fish than what's over where his line is.
There he is.
Technically we're not allowed to touch these, but
You can touch him. You just
yeah,
can't bring him out.
you can't bring him out of the water. But we'll get a photo of him in the water. So
Okay. Keep trying to scare him.
Hayden has caught himself his first ever meter fish. Is that right?
Yeah.
And he just said he said before that he's never caught one. Never caught a fish over 1 meter. So here it is.